How to tweet to your Twitter circle. Hello and welcome to Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily tweet to your Twitter circle. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open your Twitter app. Then here tap on your profile in the top left corner. And then here tap on your Twitter circle. So first you have to add people to your Twitter circle. So to add people to your Twitter circle, tap on recommended or swipe to left. Then here add people to your Twitter circle. You can search here. So for example, I'm gonna just add anyone to my Twitter circle. And after you have added people to your Twitter circle, you will see them here in your Twitter circle. Now go back and tap on this right tweet option here in the bottom right corner. Then here you have selected all followers. Tap on it and from here select Twitter circle. Now whatever you will tweet, only your Twitter circle can view and reply. So just write anything you want and tap on tweet. And so this is how you can tweet to your Twitter circle. Thanks for watching.